Sun is the harbinger of life on earth. Now, India is getting ready for its space-based solar observatory. Aditya satellite is ready to go into orbit. To explain the details of Aditya and the mysteries of the sun, I have with me Professor Somak Ray Chaudhary. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Professor Somak is an astrophysicist deeply involved with the Aditya mission and the Chandrayaan mission and Vice Chancellor of the Ashoka University. Thanks a lot for giving us time, Professor Somak. What is the Aditya satellite and why is India sending Aditya up?
So the Aditya satellite is a satellite that will study the sun 24 hours, 7 days a week. It is going to be at a point called the Lagrangian first point between the Earth and the sun, and so it doesn't orbit the sun, orbit the Earth. It observes the sun the whole time, and it's going 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth to look at the sun.
Now, is this satellite made in India or did we import anything?
The satellite is entirely made in India, and it's made in two institutes, the Indian Institute of Astrophysics in Bangalore and the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics in Pune, where I used to be director till last year.
This particular satellite, when it goes towards the sun, is it going to go all the way to the sun? Sun is 150 million kilometers away.
That's right, yeah.
And it's very
so
hot.
this is going only 1% of that distance, 1.5 million,
1%.
1.5 million kilometers away. But there is a point, there are 5 points in the Sun-Earth system where if you put a satellite, it is going to be parked. The forces on it due to the Earth and the Sun and the rotation, they all balance out. These are called Lagrangian points. And because it is going away from the Earth, it is not going to be eclipsed by the Earth as it moves around that Lagrangian point, and so it can observe the sun the entire time. That's the idea.
So it will have a continuous view of the
Continuous view of the sun, yes.
sun. And once it reaches there, that
So-
means Aditya never sleeps?
Aditya never sleeps. But does the sun sleep? The sun doesn't. In
So
fact, that's right. The sun sets because of the Earth's turning.
Yes.
The sun is always there. So we need to study the sun the whole time, and we can't do it from any point of the Earth because, of course, the night and day changes. So this is why we need to go to space. And this satellite is going to study the changes in the sun.
Aditya is a scientific mission, but will also help protect India's 50 plus satellites worth 50,000 crores, which look down not just on Earth giving us whatever you said, but
That's
also
right.
breed down our neighbors. So Aditya is going to be a protector of sorts?
Aditya is going to help protect not just India's 50,000 crore satellites, but it is going to protect all the satellites of the Earth. We use our neighbors, we help all the people now, of course, not just countries, but private entities are also sending up satellites, which are also vulnerable to these coronal mass ejections, as they are called, the anger of the sun. And everybody is going to be benefited, because not only will Aditya predict these coronal mass ejections and then alert everybody so satellites can shut down their power, etc., so that they are not affected, but it will also help us understand how these things happen.
Thanks a lot for speaking to us, Professor Somak.
Thank you.
So that was Professor Somak telling us how excited he is about the Aditya satellite.